Hey y'all, welcome to Sumner Acre. My name is Mackenzie and today we have quite the video. It's going to be super busy today. We are preparing for a winter storm. We really don't know what we're going to get, but we want to prepare our animals, our home, groceries as well. Most importantly, really, the goats, because there's a little twist that's happening. I can almost guess that the doe code of honor is going to be put in place and Sage and Fern will probably have their babies during this. I kind of hope not. For once, I say hold on to them babies, but let's be honest here, they probably will. It's just the doe code of honor. If you don't know what that is, Google it. Just look up doe goat code of honor. It's quite funny. Often rings true. So my husband's out cutting hedge wood and stuff like that with his dad. We won't be burning that. We already hauled wood yesterday. I think he might try to split some stuff and haul a little bit more wood today. But I have a big list of things that need to be done today. So let's kind of go over the list real quick before we head out and start doing stuff. We need to put straw in the buck house as well as the girls in Ernie's house, the goats. We need to build a little hay bunk area, kind of like what's in the existing room for that Sage and Ernie is in. I need to build one for Fern, as well as another hay bunk for Tater, and the horse barn, because Vegas and Tater can't eat out of the same corner one, so we're gonna build another one so we could put hay in there and so they could just eat in there and be dry. Spread some shavings. We do the deep litter method with our chickens, and so they're due to have the droppings covered in their coop, and then that'll just help because I don't think they're going to be venturing out much because I really don't know what we're going to get snow-wise. We're going to possibly haul some more wood. I need to groom both Tater and Vegas and get hooves picked. I might go ahead and put some thrush stuff in there just to kind of beat out the mud that's coming. And I am going to take both of them on a walk. Most importantly, Vegas, because she is older. I really want to keep her joints moving and kind of lubed up. So probably throughout this storm, I'm going to be taking her out and taking her for a walk, mainly just because she's older, and we'll probably go to the vet and get her some Bute to have on hand because she does have arthritis. So Vegas, since she's older, she kind of has some metabolic issues, and so she cannot insulate. So when you see horses out in a pasture and it's snowing and you're thinking, oh, these poor horses, they're covered in snow, I bet they're freezing. It's actually a good thing when horses are covered by snow. It means their body is insulating correctly. So it's a problem when the snow is actually melting on them as snow is coming down. So if you see a singular horse and a group of horses, all of them are covered in snow, but one is not, it means they're having problems insulating. They might be older. They might be having metabolic issues and all that stuff. Vegas gets blanketed. She will be getting her heavy blanket. And then we do have a rain sheet. I'm sure Tater would be fine because, one, he's a 2.5-year-old. He runs hot just in general as being like a freshly gelded horse, like since October, and he's younger, you know, he's pretty spry, he moves around a lot, he runs around a lot. But I am going to fit him and see if he could possibly fit into Vegas's rain sheet to hopefully keep him dry would be the ideal thing. We'll see. If not, he will be fine. But we are getting some really terrible like wind chills. So we're going to be doing that. Oh, we need to get some groceries, and because I think we are going to be cooking on our wood stove, so stay tuned for those shorts and videos and stuff like that. It's like our favorite thing when we get storms is cooking on the wood stove. I haven't released a video yet. You can see a short of it, my kidding kit. I have made little like goat kid sweaters just in case, and I only made 4, and then there's something in my gut telling me I need to make 2 more. I don't know if that means what, but something's telling me to make 2 more. I don't have any Velcro, so I'm gonna have to figure something else out. Maybe I could put a button on it. I don't know. So we'll have to figure that out. Unless we could find some Velcro somewhere in town. We have like these hanging lights in the goat houses, so we can see better on the camera, because Fern, she's got black on her. It's hard to see her, like her facial expressions and stuff like that, especially her hind end. She kind of has like an apron. And so our like reeling camera works really well with the night vision, but there is a light on it and I don't want that light because it's very bright. And so I have these little hanging lights in there, and as well as these little clicker lights. And so we click those lights on when we lock them up at nighttime, but they do drain batteries. So we've been going through batteries for quite some time. And so we bought some cold weather specialized batteries. So maybe that'll work and not drain as quickly, but we stocked up on AAA battery. I want to make sure to charge my Kindle, our battery packs, flashlights, hand warmers, all those things, just so we have all those charged. Luckily, a Kindle battery life lasts a long time, but I want to top that puppy off so I'm entertained in case we lose power. I need to scoop the horse pen of the manure because nothing's worse than them getting snowballs on their feet. And then there's some manure stuck in there and they're just walking on high heels. It's a pain, not great for them, and it's just awful to try to get out. Putting straw, well, old hay in the dog pen so they have some cushion and kind of keep their feet a little bit warm and they're not stepping on nastiness, and bringing it into the house. We have a mineral tub. It's like a double well mineral tub. We're actually going to try to cut it down the middle and put it in each goat room, and then get some extra water for the bucks. And then there is some gaps in the goat house. I wouldn't be too worried about it, but since we're potentially going to have some babies in there, I do not want any chance of any blowing snow getting in onto those babies. So that is like a big concern of mine that I really want to get done. So we have lots to do. So grab a snack, grab some coffee, soup, whatever. Let's get ready for the storm. Hopefully it's not as bad. It probably won't be as bad here in Kansas as it is going to be in the southern states and kind of up north or anything like that. But we're still being called for very bad temperatures, and we don't know what the snow total is going to be, but they did say expect blizzard conditions. So there's that. All right, come on, let's get to work. Chicken. Simon, you guys stink. You guys stink. I see Benadryl in my future. I look like a Backstreet Boys music video. I'm sorry, I know it was awful. Spooky. You're fatty. I bet that hurts. Hi, Bernie. Chaos here. What is happening? Girl, where'd you find this? It's on your foot. Just making decorating for my baby. Too many cooks in the kitchen. We got two more trying to join. Oh my goodness. What's happening? Essentially, we're making this, but over there, Tater, buddy, knock it off. And then I need to clean it out because Tater decided to poop in here at one point when he first got here. Tater, buddy. I know, no, Tater. I know, it's something, yeah. must feels with his lip. That was dirt. That's no, let's not try that. That's expensive. Yeah, that was dirt. Yep, more dirt. You're doing a good job. Yep, good job. No, let's not. Your dad will kill me. So we got most of the stuff done already. Some stuff we can do tomorrow. The storm doesn't move in officially until like 4 o'clock. It's mainly just going to be cold. So I'm in the chicken coop. We do the deep litter method, and I'm just going to throw some shavings down, move some eggs, because looks like we're laying in stupid places. Weird. Can deal with that in a minute. And then I don't think I see any more. This is going to drive me up the wall. Good enough for now. There. Knock it off. Okay. Sweetie. Hey, scoot your butt over, Veg. Scoot your butt, Veg. Do not kick. Scared me, buddy. You can go read. I'm coming, buddy. Just patience. Tater, move your butt. Leg. I'm behind you. Do not kick. Scoot over. Buddy, patience. You're taunting him. Behind you, Vic. Hey, watch your butt. Tater, you made me credit card your butt crack. Move your butt. Tater, move. Move. Hey, move your butt. What are you doing? Why are you being stupid? You're spoiled. Begging behind you. Ah, knock it off. Hoof. Hoof. No, no. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, I think it's broken. I think it's broken. I don't know if you seen that on the time lapse or not, but Tater only got 2 hooves picked. Well, 1.5, because he just full force put his hoof down right on my big toe. I can barely move it, but I can move it. It does not feel good. But really, I feel like we're pretty well good for prep. We'll do some more stuff tomorrow, which I will bring you guys along with. Fingers crossed. Then I can walk. I bet my toe is gonna be purple. But yeah. So it is the next day. If you saw at the end there, Tater stepped on my toe. I have a purple toe. And I wasn't doing well last night. I wasn't so sure if he broke it or not, but we're good. We're just hobbling, just in time for a bunch of snow, As you can see, the snow is starting, and I'm going to go out and put some cold weather batteries in the little lights. The goats have been up all day. We took Ernie to the vet. He is in a sweater. He has a zinc deficiency, so we ordered some pills and got him some stuff, so he should be less crusty. And the girls are good. They're perfectly fine. Prepare for the wind. But for everything, basically checked off everything off of our list, so we are good to go. And plot twist, didn't expect this. The winter storm's name is Fern, and I just feel like that's very poetic for what might be happening tonight. Okay, I don't know if you'll even be able to see me. It's quite dark in here, but we have these little, you can't see me. We have these little lights here, and you'll see it once I get the battery in. But they're little cheapy lights. I can't remember where we got them from. I think we might have got them from Harbor Freight or Dollar General or something. They work really well. You can find them on Walmart. If I can find them and remember, I'll link them. Yeah. They work quite nice for what we need them for. And let there be light. And they're not like annoyingly bright where it's gonna bother Fern and all that stuff. So Fern's is done. All right, put that in the mineral thing. Oh, hi Oins. Can't see me, it's dark in here. It's lit. Woo woo. All right, we're ready to have some babies. So Fern has quite the udder on her, which means it popped. So conveniently, I think we're having babies tonight or, tomorrow during the winter storm. Yay. Here's a goat in a sweater. Okay, go inside. It's cold. Go. I know. You want to go inside. You were inside the house this morning. Go, buddy. Get in there. You guys can cuddle. Got to break Fern's water. Hi, Fernie, baby. Have babies. I'll be back in here. Right, Fern? She's like, I don't know about today. Oh, golly, it's getting cold. And I noticed there were some chickens. So let's get these stupid chickens. Gerald, you guys are dumb. You guys are stupid. Okay, those two idiots are going back to their coop. Stupids. Hi, buddy. Winter storm Fern is just about here, and our little winter storm Fern's udder has popped. Kid watch update. I'll never get it. So Fern's udder has officially popped, and this morning I seen some stringy mucus on the camera, or it was straw. I'm not sure, but by the looks of her udder, wouldn't be surprised. And yeah, so I'm gonna expect blizzard kids. Here's a goat in a sweater for your viewing pleasure. Ernie doesn't winter well. Sage is building an udder as well, and I wouldn't be surprised if she went this weekend as well. Pray for us. They got really thick bedding in here, lots of hay, lots of water. They've been up all day, and we of course have them on camera to keep an eye on them, but she looks ready, you know. So leave some really cool winter storm baby names. Right, got anything to say, Fernie? No, okay. All right, I'm gonna end this video here. Stay tuned for baby goat videos. Oh, it hurts so bad. Like, subscribe, pray for us, pray for everybody impacted by Winter Storm Fern. I'm gonna go inside and eat tacos. Oh my gosh. Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh no, my string. Okay. Oh, follow us on social media. Okay, thanks.